Saddle up the horses because we're leaving the ranch and heading to the Big Apple. And that is because we are headed to the Tribeca Film Festival. We'll be there supporting Common Ground, the follow-up to our 2020 documentary, Kiss the Ground. So if you've been with us for a while, then you probably know that our film, Kiss the Ground, debuted in September 2020. Woody Harrelson narrated it and took us through why regen ag practices are so important and how they can help sequester carbon from the atmosphere back into our soil where it belongs. It also featured a ton of amazing farmers, scientists, novelists, actors, and more. This film really helped put regenerative agriculture on the map as a hopeful solution to both the environmental and human health crises. It was seen by more than 10 million people and helped us transition over 30 million acres to regenerative. 30 million acres. Are you hearing this? Meanwhile, a whopping 96% of adults in the US still do not understand regeneration. But we know that the complexities of our country's farming and ag system are just far too complex to cover in 90 minutes. So we're going to keep the story going through our next film, Common Ground, from our friends and directors Josh and Rebecca Tickell, which premiered for the very first time last night in Tribeca. Common Ground takes a deep dive into America's corrupt food systems and explores why profits and power are unfortunately the driving forces behind them. Farmers and families are experiencing the brunt of this corruption and have had to live through tragedy and illness at the hands of government policies that favor big ag and big profits. So the story of Common Ground is told by some of my favorite people, like Laura Dern, Jason Momoa, Woody Harrelson, Rosario Dawson, Donald Glover, Ian Somerhalder. The list goes on. But more than anything, we are so excited about the awareness this film will bring about and the change it has the power to create. Common Ground comes out this year, so get ready. Our goal is to rally together and transition 100 million more acres by tripling the reach and impact of our first film. Are you with us? Okay, you are? Great. Let's do this.